Morning folks, it's Fuller Farm, and as you can see, we lost a tree last night in the big windstorm. This is an old apple tree that was already dying. I was intending on chopping this down once the weather got nice, but looks like Mother Nature beat me to the punch, so this should make it easier to chop down the tree. To finish cutting up the apple tree, we're going to use this Portland 14-inch chainsaw that I got at Harbor Freight for under $50. Had really great reviews online, so we're going to go ahead and get that unboxed and show you how it does. Alright, there it is, all unboxed. There's the chainsaw, the instructions, there's a little tool there in the middle for opening up and tightening the chain, and a little bottle of oil that comes with it. This is an auto lubricating chain. You just fill up the reservoir and it'll keep the chain oiled. Before we use this the first time, we're just going to open up the oil reservoir there, open our oil, get it all poured in. And of course, don't forget to wear your safety gear, gloves and eyewear.
Why? Cool.
Ashton, carry this little one. Carry this little one.
Alright, as you can see, the Portland 14-inch chainsaw did a good job on this apple tree. I did have to tighten the blade a couple times, and I had to fill the oil reservoir 2 times. But not bad for a chainsaw between $40 and $50, and it'll be plenty for what we need to do here on Fuller Farm. Thanks for watching.